Google Fonts, and we're just going to change our font. So choose the font you want, click on the plus sign, pop it up down here. Take our link, pop back to our HTML page, which was file open, and we're just going to open it off the desktop, open it up. Straight away, we're going to stick it right where it used to be. I'm just going to override the other one because I want a different font this time. I'm going to save that. Then I come back in here, just like the last time. I pick up the CSS. I'm going to stick the CSS instead for here. Now, what if I want all the fonts on the page to be that font? Well, I can just go in body, okay? Then every font will be that size. But what if, let's just do a little bit of design here, a little bit of thinking. What if we want the heading 1 to be slightly different? Well, think about it logically, right? We can put the font size in for heading 1 based off this, and we can just copy that, put the font size in for heading 2 at 50. So that means every bit of font, every font here is this font and the whole body of the document, and H1 is that size and H2 is that size. Does that make sense? Brilliant. So we save that. Now, back to our HTML page. I'm just going to view, add a little bit bigger. Zoom in. Okay. Now, a few minutes ago, I put an image on the desktop, and the image is called, same as in class, is called image1.jpg. Okay. So I'm going to call up that image now. I'm going to call it up in the body, and you can copy and paste these tags if you don't want to write them. This is one that you do need to know, though, I have to say. It's an important one that you do know. Image source and image, you will need to know at one stage. It's a JPEG, so we have to give it exactly the same name. We have to leave that image right beside the HTML and the CSS page for the moment, okay? Image source, and it's a self-closing tag, so it looks like that, okay? And we can do a H2 here as well, because we've given it a size now, H2. Okay. All right, and we'll just close out the H2. Okay, so that should pull up our image, and it should all be okay. What about the body? What if we actually want to center the body? Okay, so under the body here, we're going to go text, align, which does the image as well. Center, C, American spelling, please. And let's just tidy up that a little bit there so we can see what it is we're looking at. So we've given text, align, center to the body. Now, last little thing, but not least, I want to put a background color in, and I want to match it off my image. Oops, excuse me. So I'm getting a bit messy here, so bear with me, guys. So my image is here. Let's get a pick up of that color. So you know how to do that in Photoshop, I imagine. There's my color hashtag here. So we go back in here. We want the body. We said the body font. That's the font color. That's fine as white. But our background color, American spelling, and maybe I should actually spell the thing properly. Background color, and it's going to be hashtag. There we go. Semicolon. So let's have a quick look at this. Tidy it all up. Font family for the body is that. The color for the font is that. The background color is that, and the text line centered. So if I got that right, it should look pretty. Yeah, there we go. I'll just make that a bit smaller. Cool.